Okay, 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 okay. Uh, Basic thing. Okay. So first of all, sir. Okay, okay. This is already it is sir 7:42. Okay, we can take it up to 8:42 or 9 o'clock. You have time, na sir. We'll discuss it in detail. Total, what is okay, sir? From the basics only. Who has called? Okay, 1 second, sir. First of all, I just want to ask you one thing. Yeah, Das ji, Rakesh ji is also there, na? Okay. Okay, one thing is that, sir, what do you mean by this candle? First of all, I just want to ask you one thing. What is this red candle signifies and what is this green candle signifies? Do you know that, sir? What does this candle means? One thing, sir, I just let me zoom it. Okay, okay. Now you tell me, sir, what is this green candle means? Okay, I'm removing this one also. No, 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 sir. Not in that sense. I am saying what this candle wants to convey. Means like this. Each candle is saying something. Okay, sir. This first candle is saying something. This candle is also saying something. Every candle is saying something. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So what this? Okay, Rakesh ji. If you can tell me, okay, what do you mean by this candle? Means like how it opens, how where it is closing, if the buyers are if the buyers are here more superior or the sellers are more superior, and if the buyers are so, then why so, if the sellers are so, then why so. So can you please do that? Yes, 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 yes. Hi, sir, you got it, na sir? Yes, sir. I am just okay. Okay, let me open it in some other way. Okay, what is red candlestick? This one. Okay, sir. Are you able to see, na, sir? Okay, sir. You just see here, sir. This is a red candle. Red candle. This is as okay. First of all, we just see green candle. What Rakesh ji has said, that is a green candle. No? That is green candle. Okay, sir. Here you can see, sir. The open price is at low, at the below, and the closing price is at high, but is at the top. Is not at the top, but is at the higher of the opening price. You got it, Nazar? This is the green candle. Means opening at the low point and closing at the top point. And here just the reverse case. Here opening is at high and closing is at low. So this is the basic difference between the red and green. Means here the buyers are more, means like where the price has been opened, the buyers come into the picture and they took the price up, and finally the candle closes over here. Okay, sir. Means where it has opened, the closing price is above that one, so that is a bullish candle, and this is a green candle. Okay, so this is the meaning of basically a green candle. The buyers are at a pace, the buyers are the superior in this case, and this is the just reverse case. Here the price has opened high, but the price has been closed below. So here the sellers are the more having more weightage. So the sellers own the case, and this red candle form. So got it, na sir? So these are the basic difference between the two candles of green and red. Green candle always it's a bullish candle because the opening price will be at low and the closing price will be at high, and for the red candle means opening will be at high and the closing will be at low. And these two are, you can call it, these two the extra portions that what you are seeing at both the side, no sir. uh, this is the candle. This is called body. This main part where the green part is there, na, this is the body. This is the body of the candle. Means this body signifies the most of the volume what it has, the most of the volumes, like most of the buying thing or whatever thing has happened is happened in between this region only. And this is called, this high portion and this is the low portion. These are called basically the shadow portion, or you can call it a wick. Normally in the stock market the people are calling it a wick. Okay, sir. This is the high, means the price has been opened here, and the price has gone up to this point, but then it has come down and close here. Okay, sir. Means at any point of time the buyers and seller both are there in the market. So suppose in the case, in this green candle I am saying, okay, it has gone low. Okay, sir. It has gone low. This has also made low. Means when the candle has gone below this opening price, immediately the buyer, more number of buyers come into the picture and they took the price high. This is the basically the meaning. Okay, sir. Means sellers are also there. Sellers also took the price to the low, means to the below the opening price. Okay, sir, below the opening price. But as soon as the price goes below the opening price, na, immediately the buyers come into the picture and they took the price high to the point above the opening price. So finally the candle closed in a green. So this is basically the green candle signifies. Means here the buyer and seller both are there, but buyers are more superior, or buyers are like, uh, they try to push it up like anything. So for that reason this green candle formed. You can say it's this has gone up to this high point. Here also the sellers came. Seller also pushed the price down and finally closes over here. But overall in this candle the buyers are more superior. So for that reason this green candle formed. And similarly the reverse case is this one. The price has opened high, the buyers took the price high, but immediately the sellers come into the picture, then took the price down, and it has closed below the opening price. So this is the basically picture of this green candle and the red candle. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. So now we came to here. We come to here. Okay. Now you can got it. Ki, okay. Okay. In green candle and red candle, there are also different type of candles, like dozy candle, hammer candle. You can read all those things in YouTube, and all those things. It's very easily and readily available at all. Means like you can have an idea of like what types of candles are there. This is a normal candle. Okay, sir. This is what we have seen here. Na? This is a normal candle, but the candle always is will not be like this. Okay, this is to be like this green candle. This body has to be like small. This wick has to be like big. This up big has to be the big. Like this candle can have different pattern. Okay, this body, like you got it now, like here you can see that this is a red candle, but you can see that the bottom wick is more it's uh, in comparison to the top wick, and the body is very small, so it signifies something. Okay, na sir. What it signifies, I just okay, I'll say it like in brief. What it signifies, sir, I told you ki okay, this red candle means the price has opened higher, and immediately the seller comes and took it to the bottom. But when it comes to the bottom, now immediately buyers also come here and took the price up. So it is basically, it is basically, you can say, after this red candle, if this type of candle forms, na, then it signifies the next candle, or in next two candle the buyers may be activated. Okay, this is a rejection candle. Basically, you can say it. This is a rejection candle. You can say it. Okay, because the initially the sellers are heavy, like they are more in comparison to the this your buyers. They are more superior, and they took the price low. like you can see here that they took the price to this point, but immediately the buyers came and took the price to up, but it has closed like where it has opened, it has closed in that point only. So you can say it, the sellers lost here. I mean, the sellers were initially there, more like they took the price down, but at the time of closing of the price, they lost, and buyers took the price up. Okay, you can say it that. Similarly, so many types of candle. Like here, you can say this is a type of candle. This okay, that is you can get it very easily in YouTube and everywhere it is there. Okay, and if you could not understand, then you can ask me and I can very whatever I know I can elaborate you. Okay, sir. So okay, so this is basically the difference between a red candle and a green candle, and between red candle and green candle there are so many types of candle, and that you have to study, and it is not a big thing. Okay, you can, no problem, but you need to know practically. If you ask me, na, that doesn't have any importance in trading. That has importance in investing. In investment, suppose if you are doing a long term investment, if you are doing something like for long term, then how the stocks are behaving. Okay, the stocks has formed certain green candle up to 10 green candles, then on certain day it has formed a doji type candle or a hammer type candle, then what might be the next what might be your next action plan. So you can get it, you can have an idea from that. But as per my view, it's a completely what I'm saying, it's my view. uh, in trading, it doesn't have that much of significance, but because I believe in price action trading, this doesn't have any like any that much of importance. Okay, significance. It's as per my view. Because okay, I'm just saying, you suppose if you have invested in Reliance. Okay, sir, you invested in Reliance, so we'll check it, sir. Okay, Reliance means I'm checking it in 1 day chart. Okay, in Reliance in 1 day chart, I am checking it. Okay, suppose, sir, like suppose you have started your investment at this green candle. Okay, in this green candle you have started your investment. Now after suppose it's how many days, 1 2 3, it's daily, it's a daily candle. So suppose after 7 or 8 days you found this type of candle. Okay, this candle, this candle, you got it, na sir? This candle, this is a candle is very little body, and you got it, na sir? No body at all. So when this type of candle forms, how you will react for the next day? Okay, sir, that thing you can judge by if you know the things. Okay, this type of candle is forming, so how the Reliance will behave next day or in 2 3 days. So from that only you can have an idea. But if you are doing a intraday trading, so intraday trading, if this candle forms, that candle forms, it doesn't matter for me. Also for me, I'm saying it doesn't matter that much ki how it will be, because if you are believing in price action, then it doesn't have that much of it. So that is the thing. uh, okay, next thing is that okay, what other things, sir, you just want to know? Tell me, sir. Ah, okay, where to exit, where to exit? Okay, okay, sir. Okay, okay, okay. Got it, sir. Got it. For that thing, sir, for that thing, one thing I will have to know, it's like I have to share with you is that the thing is that which I believe is the best thing for intraday trading is the price action. Price action means uh, price price is always conveys something. Okay, the way the price moves, na, uh, That okay? You are talking about you are talking about Nifty. Bank Nifty. Okay, this is the Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty 10-minute chart. Okay, the first thing is just you have to know ki what is a price action. So do you know that, na? Okay, Rakesh ji, please tell me na what you know as per your view. What is price action? What do you think? Yes, action. The way price moves. The way price moves. Convey. Yes, yes. Tug of war means so in a pull in a what you, rope you can pull both side you are pulling. Okay, both side you two people are pulling each other, and the side which own can pull the other party towards. Okay, na sir. That Okay, I also agree. But one more thing, I just want to add it. Okay, na. The thing is that the price action means the okay. We are here in the market to operate. So, what are the things that can operate in market? Either market will go up, or either it will go down, or either it will sideways. These are the three things that market will behave in these three manner only. Okay, it has to go up, or it has to go down, or it has to be in a range, or it is consolidating, like this type of statement or word you can listen. Okay, market is consolidating here, market is doing this that today's market is a basically consolidation market. Okay, you can say that today's 10th August market is a consolidation market, because today's low price and high, it's like opening price and closing price is not having that much of gap. So it is a basically closing, it's a flat market, or it's a consolidation market. So we first talk about, okay, what your trending market means either market will go up or go down. So market is going up, so market will go up, it will always go up in a manner. What manner? That is, this is the manner that everybody is knowing. uh, this is the way market will go. We all know that. Okay, na sir. This drawing you can see that, na, this yellow color drawing, yellow color, it is visible, na Rakesh, it is visible, na? Okay, so why this is so, sir? Suppose the market is moving up, continuously going up, then it is not a price action. And I'll say why this type of pattern forms while market is going up, and why this type of things forms. Okay, one second. Why this type of thing forms while market going down? Okay, sir. This is the way market goes down, and this is the way market goes up. Okay, sir. So why market is going up and coming down this way? And this is called higher low. This is called means this is low. Okay, and this is the high initially, and this is called higher low. This is called higher high. Higher high means this high is above than is greater than this high. This is the one of the high, na. This is, if the stock starts moving from here, then this is the low point, and this is the high point, and from this high point it has to come down to this point for going up. So this is the low that it has made, and from here it has started its move. So this is the low point, and this low point is above this one, so this is a higher low. And this high is again higher than this one, so this is higher high. So this is the pattern is called as is a bullish pattern, or like this is the way market goes up. Okay, sir. Okay, so why it is happening like this? Why the market is going high and coming down again going up? So basically, now market is all about sentiment. Okay, what I just try to say, just try to understand. This is a theoretical thing, and this is a sentiment means theory. Okay, it all about your psychology, sentiments, all those things. Okay, so market suppose for any reason. Okay, I'm not talking about the. I'm not thinking about anything. I'm just talking about for any reason the market has moved here to here. Okay, suppose few people got into this stock, and they got the benefit. Okay, from here to here, but few people just watched it. Okay, are yaar, the market is going up, we cannot do anything, we cannot do anything. Okay, the market is, suppose the market is having a resistance over here, and immediately the market crossed it and it has gone up to this point. So those people who are just watching it na, just watching it, or could not ride that rally, those people will enter when the market will come here. This is basically a sentimental thing, nothing else. This market has gone from here to here. Those people who have rode it, it's okay, they are in profit. But those people who are not into this rally, they just watched it. Okay, in front, yeah, they are watching just in front of their eye. The stock has moved from this place to that place. When I'm talking about stock, the same thing is also in bank nifty and nifty. Suppose this is nifty and bank nifty also. Bank Nifty has suddenly gone up to 200 point, but nobody was able to enter into the market. So those persons will wait. Those persons will wait up to this point, which like last resistance point from where it has crossed. Those persons will wait up to this point. As soon as the price comes over here, na, immediately all the people will come here and again took the price to this point. Okay, okay, those people who are over here na, like over here, it is basically sentimental things, okay na, sir. Okay, suppose those people who are entered here, now the price has come here. Okay, you just think the price has come here. So those people who have entered here, their price has gone up to this, they will take profit. Okay, sir, they will take profit. So immediately when they will take profit, it will come down. Okay, seeing that one, okay, it is coming down, these people will also take profit out of it, so again it will come down. So those people who are not yet entered into the market na, they are also seeing, okay, this is the higher low, this is the low it has made earlier, then this is the higher low, and now it is coming, and it is coming near to the higher low. So I think from this point it will not go beyond, so we'll buy here. So those people will buy here, and again the market will go. So this is the type of thing they will draw. Okay, like a trend line. Okay, this is a trend line they will draw. Okay, okay, normally you can see that this is a trend line. Okay, okay, this is not straight line, but if you draw it in a proper way, it is a straight line. Okay, so everyone will say, okay, this is the way market has gone up and come down, so take support here, and it has gone up to here, then profit booking came, then it has come over here, immediately it touches here na. So without thinking anything, or without thinking anything, all the people will come over here and join here and enter here, and again take the price to here. Okay, higher high. So once these people like, this is the way market moves in sentiment. Okay, sir, this is not basically okay, in this type of algo trading also, nowadays the algo trading. So immediately this they will put a order like, okay, when the price will touch this trend line, immediately put a buy order of this quantity. Okay, na, for that reason only this price is going up. Okay, so this is the way the price is going up, and this is the way price is going down, the similar way. Suppose it has come down to this point, those people who are seeing it, अरे यार suddenly market में कुछ हो गया और मैं entry मतलब I could not enter. So immediately when the price has come up, So they will thought, okay, this is the bearish signal and the price has gone like uh, uh, very low, and it has again coming up, so it is a opportunity to sell on rise. Okay, this is a rise, na, this is a rise, so they again they will enter and they will take the price to down. So again those person who have entered here, they will take the profit. Then again the market will come over here. So again the person will start selling, and this is the way market will go. So this is a sentiment that everyone is watching and everybody knows it. Okay, sir. Everybody knows it. So we have to act according to this way. So this is the basic funda that we can have. Okay, sir. This is the thing, means like suppose if you draw this trend line. Suppose if you are able to plot this trend line. So if you are plotting this trend line, then everyone is plotting this trend line. Na? So everybody in the world, or everybody those who are operating in Indian stock market, everybody will plot this trend line. So everybody knows ki when the market will come over here, I have to enter. So when you enter, everybody enters, then market will go up obviously. So for that reason, you have to know the point where I have to enter. Okay, na. So where all the people will act, na, the thing which has to happen, that will happen for sure. If you are opposite to the opposite to the most of the people what they are thinking, if you opposite to that, then you will lose. That is for sure. This is in stock market. Stock market means where all the people are having one sentiment, then you have to be fall in that sentiment. Then in the same otherwise you will lose. Now suppose if you think the market is coming, the if you suppose if you think the market is coming from here to here, so from here market will fall, and if you take put, then obviously you will lose. And suppose if you are judging right, and if you are doing your homework right, and if you know that okay, everyone is watching in the world, that this is a trend line, and it is a trend line that everyone is watching. Suppose once it is touching this trend line, immediately I'll enter, because most of the people who are watching this trend line will enter. So I'll go with the flow. This is basically nothing else. I'll go with the flow. Everybody enters, I'll also enter. Everybody will gain money, I will also gain money. This is the way market behaves. So abhi matlab like abhi now we'll use this one in our normal trading. Okay, so this is the way market goes. Like when it go, if it is going like anything na, like this is the, suppose market is going like this, so it won't sustain. Okay, so this is not the way market is going up. Suppose if you can see, and suddenly some news came and market has gone up to 20, suppose any stock gone up to 20%, 30%. Most of the time this happens. Okay, 30%, 40. Same way. Yes, yes, the same way it will come down. That is not the correct way. Okay, na sir? Hello, hello. Okay, if the market is continuously going up in this way, na, and continuously going down in this way, continuously a red signal is a red big red candle is forming, then this is not the right way to enter. So that is the thing we have to take care only in the market. So okay, we'll now go to, okay, so setup. Okay, for the setup, I just when I always I'll say okay. One thing is that when I like from the yesterday, I do not have to have any view for the tomorrow. The way market behaves, the way market shows me okay. I'll today the setup is saying okay, the market will go up from here, so I'll work accordingly. Okay, no need to think for the past, no need to think for the future. Whatever your setup says, whatever your setup says, you have to act according to that one. Nothing else. So this is my view. Again, I am saying this is the my view. This might be wrong. This might be right. So I am not. I do not want to justify that. This is the only way. Okay, but this is the way I think. What your setup is saying, that on that way you have to work. Okay, sir. So okay, we'll see for today's only today's market. Okay, sir. So okay, okay. One more thing, I just want to tell you one thing. Okay. uh, the second thing is that first thing is that I do not have any view, so I do not have to carry any position overnight for the next day. Okay. Till any, like, any certain things, ki this is the thing will always be is going to happen in future, so the market will definitely be reacting in this manner. So then it's okay, then it's normal thing. Okay, the thing. Okay, suppose election result is going to be declared tomorrow, and you know that BJP is going to win, or some party is going to win, like anything. And there will be euphoria in the market, and definitely it will go up to 3%. So on that reason, you can take a call, and can be sit like anything. Okay. But suppose in normal case, that is not a normal version, so that is a special case, and the future and exact future. Okay. So that is a different case. So now I'm saying about a normal thing. Suppose, no, normal day, I do not have any view yesterday, so I am sitting in front of my computer. Market is opening at 9:15. So first thing is that I think I have to see where the market is settling. First, I have to see in a day when the market opens at 9:15. Now, immediately, lots of zigzag movement, sudden up and down movements will be there. Okay, sir. Immediately, why? Because those persons who have taken their position yesterday, they will square it up, or immediately at 9:15, so many pro traders, so many people have entered. Okay, for the 10 minute or 1 minute or 3 minute, they will take the profit. So immediately up to 9:15 to 9:30, the market will move like here and there. You cannot have any exact view. So for that reason, we need to think. Okay, like we have to no, we cannot say that gambling. Okay, because we are very small people. Okay, the big players are there. So many persons are there. So they will do their part. Okay, and let the market be settled at some point. So for that reason, I just say for the first five six candle or four five candle, like suppose if I am seeing 10-minute candle, suppose 9:15 it is opening, 9:15 to 9:25, 25 to 35, 45, 55, or 10:05, 10:05. You have to wait up to 5 6 candle till the time it settles at some point. Maybe at 2 candle or 3 candle it may settle also. First 2 3 candle also. Sorry. Okay, we'll see, we'll see. So I'm just saying ki how to trade. So in a day, I do not have any view. I just let the market open at 9:15. I am waiting. I am seeing everything. I am watching everything, and I'll wait for 3 4 candle, or up to I'll see. Okay, it will be visible clearly. Okay, market is settling at this point. Okay, market is taking a breath at this point. Okay, it is continuously going down. Okay, it settles at some point. It is continuously going up, and it settles at certain point. So definitely it will settle at certain point, and that point I have to notice, and from that point I need to have a view for rest of the time. Suppose I found the settlement at 10:15 or 10:30, then also I'm having a time of 5 hour, na, 10:30 to 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30. Like 4 5 hours intraday trading is enough, and you need to catch only 40 50 or 100 points. For that reason, you are here. We do not have to catch the whole market. Like suppose the bank nifty has moved 700 points, I do not have to catch 700 points. Suppose if I'm catching it, then I am a pro. If I'm able to catching if I'm able to catch it the exact 700 point, then I do not have to say anything. I should have to sit somewhere else. Okay. So my target, what I am thinking is that if the market is moving 700 point, no, if a market is moving 700 points, then I need to catch 150 or 200 points. That's enough for a day. For a day. Okay. So the market will open. Okay, this is 10th of August. The market will open now. The first candle it has formed a big green, red, and then green. This is a okay. You just see. This is a type of candle. You just have an idea. Means you do not have to do anything, but you can have an idea from this. Okay, you just see. This is a long wick it looks long shadow at the bottom. What does it mean? Like you can have an idea, na? You can have an idea, like, okay, the sellers are initially, the sellers are they are pro and they took the price down, but they could not, like, it couldn't sustain. Like immediately price has gone up, gone down, the buyers come into the picture and they took the price to the up. That means seller lost in this picture. Initially the sellers were winning. Initially when the market was opening, it was a red candle. It was a red candle and it was a huge red candle. You can see that the bottom point is quite low. Okay, long one, this quite low. And immediately the sellers come into the picture, the buyers come into the picture and took the price to up. Okay, and finally in a 10-minute candle they own and it closed in a green. But I do not have any view. I just think, I just thought, okay, this is the way the first candle happened. Now the second candle. So you can see that the second candle is having almost the same closing point, the same opening point, like same closing point. This is opening is higher and the closing is lower. This is the closing point and this is the opening point over here. This green candle is having opening point and the red candle is having a closing point over here. Okay, so these two candles settles at a point. Okay, so we'll wait, 3 4 candle we'll wait. Okay, this is the third candle. So from this candle also you can have a view. This red candle. Okay, na? This red candle has gone much below. Immediately it has come up. Okay, it has not closed in green, but the sellers has lost. It means like the seller took the price to this point, but immediately the buyers came and took the price up. So from these three candle, now from three candles, you can have an idea the buyers are much more stronger over here from these three candle. Okay, not yet any signal is forming. Okay, but like you can have a view. Okay, from these three candle you can have a view. Okay, the sellers are trying so hard to took the price down, but they are not able to winning it. The buyers are coming into the picture and they are taking the price up. Okay, so this is a view, just normal view I can have. Okay, so here I can say two things. One thing is that this is a price where the two candle settles, and this is also a price where the three candle settles. Okay, na? It's up to you to decide how you can take your the line. Like what I can say, this is the important line. You can take it here or you can take it here. It's up to you and your judgment. There is nothing like anything, there is nothing, there is no rule to this one ki how you decide the point where I have to, means like you can say it, these are the three candles where it is settled. This is the point where three candles, either closing point or opening point, touches each other, and here the two candles are touching each other. Okay, so if I know the thing, so I can have a view that it is from the first three candle. I know that the buyers are winning, and the fourth fifth candle it is showing completely a complete green. So I can say that this is the way the market has gone. Means like uh, this is the, suppose this is the red point, this is the red point, I can say that this is the higher point. Okay, this is the higher point and market has come down. When this is the lower point it has touched, means higher high higher low. Okay, means it is a low point. Matlab from where the market is, like from certain point market has to go up. So I, if I think this is the point where the market has to go up, so this is the low point. Okay, if I say this is a low point, up to this five candle or six, how many candles, three four five six seven candle, in this seven candle, which candle is having the highest value? So this is the highest value, I think, red candle, the red candle top. This is the highest. This is the highest point, I guess. Okay, sir. So I can have a view. This is the 5 minute. This is the 6 7 candle that it has formed, and out of this is the point market has settled, because the two candles are settled here, and from these first three candle I knew that the buyers are having more weightage as of today. So I can have a view, this is the lower point and this is the higher point. If the market crosses the higher point, means this is this point, then it must go up to next higher point to make a higher high. Got my point, sir? This is the higher point and this is the lower point. For me, I am saying, okay, this is the lower point I am guessing, and out of this seven candle, this is the higher point, this is the high point, and if the market has to go up, then market has to cross this point to go up. If you market, okay, we know the thing, na? The market will go up in this fashion, so we have to buy at this point. This, when this cross this high point na, when the market is, okay, one thing, suppose the market is going up in this way, so when the market is coming down na, we do not have to do anything. Suppose this is this can, we are thinking that the market will reverse from here, but we are not certain na ki market will reverse from here. The market can also come here also, here also, who knows, who knows. No, the market, nobody knows na the market, where the market will go. So the confirmation will come if the market will reverse and crosses this high point. So as of now, out of this six candle, I can say that this is my highest point and this is the lowest point. I'll go for buy today if the market will cross this high point. Okay, this red high candle. If the market will cross this, then the market will go for the next higher high. Okay, sir. So what I can, up to this thing, what I'll do, I'll do one thing, I'll put a stop loss order. Okay, I'll see the option price of this candle. Like suppose this is a candle of 925, so I'll see the 925 candle of the I am thinking, as of now I am thinking for bullish side. I'll, the buyers are the more having the more weightage and the market is going up, so I'll go for buy. So what I'll see, I'll go for like 38,000, like this is 38,300, 300 na? Okay, 38,300. So I'll take 38,300, 925 call the chart. I'll take it out and I'll see at 925 what was the highest value at that point in 38,300 call, and I'll put a stop loss buy order above that price. So if, okay, if the price will be here, then my option will not be operated. Okay, if the price will cross here, because from this point to this point it's 10 minute, 20 minute, 30 minute, 40 minute, 50 minute. So in 50 minute na, the option decay will be there also. The option price decay will be there. Suppose this time this suppose this value has touched this this line, and this time the value is 300. Again the price is touching over here, the same point it is touching, but the price will be like 280. Suppose if it is 300 na, it will be like 290. Definitely 10 rupees will be decayed. So you will be in a safe, you will be in safe, because you have put a stop loss buy order ki if the market will cross that 300 price, then only I'll enter automatically. Obviously if you have put a buy stop loss buy order, then automatically it will enter. Okay, so now and what about your stop loss? And your stop loss will be this one, because you thought that this is the base, this is the base na, important line what you have marked. This is the important line you have marked, this one. I'm talking about this above point, this not the bottom point, this up point I'm saying. 300. So if you are buying here the 38,370 or something, so then at that moment 38,300, 300, 340 or 45, this will be 38,350. 350 will be your stop loss, and your buying will be at 38,390 or 95. Okay, so we'll see how it happen, how it goes. Here also your option price will not operate. Okay. So market has come down. Your view has gone wrong, but you are safe now. You thought of something. You thought of something, okay, if the market will go up from this point, I'll enter. So market has come down, so your price is safe, you have not yet entered into the market. Okay, no, sir. Your view is clear. Okay, market will go up from this point, then only I'll enter. Otherwise, I won't enter. So market has touched this point, but from that point it has come down. And I am again telling, if the market is touching the same point, but as because this is a candle of 925 and here it is 1025, 1035. So obviously the option price will be decayed and your price will not be triggered. Your definitely you will be in a safe. Okay, sir. So next we will see. And one more thing is that if the same thing is not happening, not operating up to 235 or 245, na, then better cancel that order. Because after 245 or 340, 245, 230, na, the market again got violent. And it's like so many thinking for the tomorrow will come into picture, and those people who have taken their position in the morning, they will square it up. So 245 to 50 is a dangerous time to enter. So those times it is just okay, if you are having in a position, if you are in a position, then you can hold it further. And if you are going, if it is going in your way, then you can hold it further. But if you are not holding anything, so it is not, it is better always not to enter at 240, better. Okay, sir. Okay, we'll see further. It will not operate, sir. Okay, it will not operate. You also know that, I also know that it will not operate. But you just think, sir, you just think, you just have your confidence. Okay, if you draw this type of thing and the market is behaving this line in a perfect way, this top line that what you have drawn, na, I have also pointed this same line in my channel also. You can see that this one market is behaving perfectly to this line. Okay, it's not going below, much below this line, and it is not also crossing this line. It's respecting this line. It's like it's facing resistance also. Okay. Here and there. So basically it's a consolidation market. Today is a consolidation market. Okay, tomorrow there will definitely be a big move for sure. Means like tomorrow is a expiry also. Okay, it's also, it's the, it's just see. Okay, it's already 245. So better you this time you just cancel your order and just watch the market. Just watch the market how it behaving, how it behaves. You just think what we have drawn in the morning, uh, means these are the thing what I'm saying, why I'm saying, if you can draw the line and if the line is perfect and till the day, it's till the end of the day, if the market is perfectly respecting that line, na, then also you'll gain lots of confidence. Okay, what I am thinking, the market is behaving in that way. So I am, and my view is matching with so many people's view. So these are the things, sir. Okay, so tomorrow we'll have definitely, sir, a live session, live trading. Definitely they will see. It's not like it is not to show anything like uh, we are like giants. But when five people join together and do something, obviously the mindset of each people will be shared with each other, and some good thing will come definitely. So okay, na, sir. At around 10 o'clock, at around tomorrow I'm having a night shift, so I have total complete time. Today actually I was having a evening shift, so I have to come by 2 o'clock. So by 1 o'clock I closed it, I closed everything, closed everything, and I come to the office. So tomorrow I'll have tomorrow and tomorrow only, day after tomorrow I do not have any. So tomorrow only I think there should be a big rally. हाँ उसको भी देख लें क्या? हाँ ठीक है, ओके। ठीक है सर। अ, आज तो फुल कंसोलिडेशन में हो गया आज। ठीक है सर, तो हम लोग अभी नाइन्थ में चलते हैं। नाइन्थ, सॉरी एट्थ होगा ना, एट्थ। ओके सर, एट्थ। ओके ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट कैंडल, बिग रेड कैंडल। हाँ, यस। हाँ 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 हाँ, मैं वही किया था। मैं एक्चुअली क्या ना, मतलब ये क्या है ना, धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा। ये क्या ना, ये क्या ना, देखिए दिस इज, अभी ये क्या ना, दिस इज ए हाई पॉइंट। ठीक है, सपोज इफ आई एम टेकिंग दिस टू कैंडल ओनली, बिकॉज व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग दिस टू कैंडल, because this, when this candle is forming na, this candle will be at the bottom of this high, is at below of below of this high. So within that time I have to take a decision. So in a 2 minute 3 minute, this is a 10-minute candle na. So in these two candle I can have a judgment, like this is a top point and it has come down to a low point. So if the market is go, if the market has to go up, then it has to cross this point. Then the setup has not yet formed for the okay na. It matlab like if it has to go down, then it has to form a red candle below this line. Okay, okay, below this line a red candle has to form, and has to be below this candle. You know, that candle has to like has to close below this line. It's not like that it has to open below this line and close below. No, it has to open at any point of time, but it has to close below this line. And the second and the next candle has to form a red candle, and the next candle has to be a small green or anything. Then the next candle when it forms, na, then you have to take the entry for the red side at the highest point of that red candle. The initial two candle will be there na. The one candle which has crossed this line, the second red candle, when the price will fall below the bottom point of that level, then you have to enter. Okay, understood na. So here you can enter. This is a point, this is a bullish view, because from the last 7 8 days, you can see, you can have an idea that okay, market is continuously going up. So when the market is continuously going up na, this is a normal view, is that it's a buy on dip market, like buy on dip. You heard this type of thing na, buy on dip, sell on rise, all those things na. So when a bullish market na, it's a buy on dip. Buy on dip means again it that thing comes, it's a higher high higher low. Buy on dips means when it comes to low, means it's a higher low it has formed. Immediately higher low forms, you entered into the market and again it will go up. So basically this is all price action. Okay, now buy on dips means also price action, sell on rise means also price action. Because the market is continuously going down, today it has gone up. So those persons who have not entered into the market at the time of rally, those persons will enter. So sell on rise. And buy on dips means market is continuously going up, today it has given some chances to some other people or those people who have not entered. So those people will enter, and again the all people, like those people who are having their position also, they are also enter. So again the market will go up. So this is a buy on deep market. Yes. Ah, okay, okay, sir. No issue, sir. No issue. Everybody is in, is not a rocket science, sir. It's not arts. It's purely arts. It's purely arts. Basically, you have to read the sentiment of the all other people. It's not science. So what we that is science. I am working in a company. I am working in a as a manager. That is science. Okay, I took science, but this market is totally simple, sir. Market is all about pure arts. You can you just have to know the sentiment of the people. You just have to read the chart, then everything is. You have to think and nothing else, nothing else. This is a point, sir. Na, this is the bottom point, the bottom point, same point. So you can consider this is the high and this is the low. If the market has to go up, so it has to cross the high point. I do not have to enter in this point, sir. This is the line and this is the line. Na. In between this, I do not have to do anything. I have to sit idle. Okay, sir. Wait for this breakout. If market is breaking out and it is going up, then it is my condition is satisfying. Like previous day, na, previous day, like today's market, what we have seen. Okay, the market, we have marked certain point, but the market didn't cross that point, so we sit idle. So Rakesh ji is saying ki, okay, this is the point, it has crossed. Actually, I took the trade on this basis only. The market has crossed this point and I took that trade. So we'll just see how the market is behaving. And on that case, uh, stop loss immediately. Stop loss will be here, like there is lots of gaps, so we can have at the middle of this line, middle of this like this is a big candle, na? It's a candle of size 179. So we can have the middle of this candle, like middle of this red candle. Means like suppose the market is coming down na, so I do not have to give much more money because it is just 30 minute, 10 minute, 20 minute or 30 minute. Suppose immediately in 30 minute my stop loss is getting hit na, so I have a lots of time to catch it up. Okay na, so I will not give much more money to market. Okay, I'll buy that point and I'll put a stop loss, tight stop loss over here. If the market comes down and hits my stop loss, then no issue. By that time I think 1 hour will be gone, and I'll have next 3 4 hours, so I'll find a setup and I'll try to make it up. Or otherwise, if I'm not finding any setup na, so I'll be satisfied with the loss that I can have. So don't fight with the market ki, okay, market has taken that much of money from me, so I'll definitely have to take it back on the same day only. So that is the thing na, so that will lead to more losses. Revenge trading, setup satisfaction, go for trading. No, nothing. Okay na. Okay, sir. Just see, this is the way market will behave. Now the market will go up, and by that time you have to shift your stop loss to this point or this point, because I'm not going to lose any money from this point. So in this point, at this green candle, my stop loss may be hit. Okay, so I'll capture up to how much point? It's 37,900 and it is around 38,100. Means 200 point I'll capture. Suppose if I take a call option of in the money, so it will be around 100 point or 120 point. If in the money call you are taking, so if the spot price is moving 100 point, so definitely it will move for. Sorry. uh, no. Option means, oh, the like, okay, this is the price. This is the price means this price. What is this? Is 37,900. Okay, so in the money 37,900 means I have to take 37,800 call or 37,900 call. Sir, do you know that now? What is call and put? All those things you know, na? Okay. So in the money and at the money price only you have to trade. And in the morning, if the price, if your price hits na, like if your price if your order triggers, then definitely it will give much more money. By this time, it has to give like 100 point or 150, 130 point, 120, 30 points. In the 200 point move, obviously it will give 120 points. Yes, yes, yes. What you are saying? Closest one means? Ah, yes, 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 yes. In the money or at the money? At the money means the price at which near to that point the whatever the strike price will be, and in the money means where the price is going. I mean, it's like spot price is 37,850. Then 37,800 will be my in the money, or 37,700 will be my in the money. Okay, na sir. So we'll close here and we'll see tomorrow, and hopefully we'll all have a blast tomorrow. No issue, no issue, sir. This is just, market is not going anywhere, sir. Market will be there for long, long time, sir. We just have to sustain, sir. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, 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 sir. Okay, ओके राकेश जी, तो चलते हैं और फिर मिलते हैं कल सुबह, क्या होगा आप देखते हैं, सबके लिए बस अच्छा हो जाए। ओके श्योर। ओके, नो इशू, नो इशू, नो इशू। ओके, श्योर, 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 श्योर। ओके सर। ओके, 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 चलिए, बाय बाय। गुड नाइट।